Yo guys, it's again September. It is coming back. We have new members. It means that right now sizoba nelibhube sila semzumbe versus libhube sila seshabeni ziyakhala ziyaporoma. So let's get to sort of today. You know the rest of the house is someone pays for sale. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, it, comment. Happy Monday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. So guys, it's again September. They are coming back for season 4. I am so happy to see that they have new members. We have Mnini, guys. I cannot wait to see Mnini, guys. We have Mawande. I feel like Mawande, she has more to offer, guys, compared to her sister Enhle, guys. We also have Owami, obviously. We have Ingane Yakasne Utando, guys. We have Tirelo. You know, guys, every time when I see Zingani's team, I don't see Tirelo. It doesn't make sense to me. Tirelo, she's a family member, guys. We have Amahle. As alleged, Oguti Amahle, she's no longer with us. Binde, guys. I'm surprised to see her. I'm happy. We also have the one and only the queen Usne, guys, obviously Enhle Abong. Also have Ulwandle, guys. Onutana Netembo, Ulwandle had a girlfriend, guys. I don't understand. Right now on the trailer is alone. We're gonna find out a lot of stuff, guys. I'm so happy to see them back. For those who don't know, also Isengane Lengane, it's back. So you need to choose your fight very carefully, guys. So it is what it is. Tell me a conversation. What do you think about this? Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Monday.